So would Strata be an obvious conflict with the existing trademark of, quote, Kolinas Strata, both in Class 25 clothing? Strata is a sports equipment and clothing brand. Kolinas Strata is a New York City fashion female clothing brand.
Interesting. So Kolinas Strata, I mean, that sounds like a name of an individual.
Yeah, something like a beverage you might order.
Yeah.
In
Strata, I think Strata means street in German. No, I'm sorry, it's Italian. So Strata is street in Italian. So that means that at the USPTO during the examination procedure, the USPTO is going to look at the word street for apparel. And I can almost guarantee it's registered.
Okay. Which means
no trademark.
Okay. Not going to be able to move forward with it being just descriptive.
Yep. So merely descriptive, which is kind of crazy, right? That you can have a merely descriptive trademark in a foreign language, but that's how we do it at the USPTO. And this is kind of one of those strange ones that trips a lot of individual applicants up if they don't attorney, and it trips up a lot of attorneys who aren't maybe familiar with the trademark process, because there's kind of two things here. The first issue would be, potentially likelihood confusion with Kolinas Strata. Not so worried about that one potentially, but the surname refusal and the doctrine of foreign equivalence are two of the big ones that clients miss. So, this translates from from Italian to English. It's descriptive, potentially of streetwear, street apparel potentially, or it's already been registered. And then, of course, Strata could be a surname, in which case, unless it's exceptionally rare, it's going to be deemed merely a surname and not registerable.
Got it. Excellent.
Yeah.